let us discuss about LALR parser. Check whether this grammar is accepted by LALR parser or not. So first we have to construct augmented grammar. Augmented grammar means we have to add an extra production called start symbol dash produces start symbol and write the remaining productions as it is. So write S productions as well as A productions and B productions as it is. What is A production? A production is D, A produces D, B produces D. So LALR parser means it uses LR of 1 items. So let us write the first item. So it uses LR of 1 items. So here the first item is S dash produces dot S. Here it is an item. So we have to use dot at the right hand side. This is LR of 0 item. LR of 1 item means LR of 0 item plus look ahead symbol. For the first production, the look ahead symbol is $. Next, after dot, we have a non-terminal. So we need to find the closure of S. So that means write the productions of S. So the productions of S are S produces. First production is AA. This is an item. So we have to use dot here. And then we need to find the look ahead symbol. So here based on this production, we got this production. So for the look ahead symbol, we have to calculate first of this part. Here there is no need to consider this comma. This comma is a separator here. So first of $. First of $, means $. So here the look ahead symbol is $. So next, S produces. What is the next production? BAC. So dot BAC. Look ahead is $. For all the productions of S, look ahead is $. Next, S produces dot BC. Look ahead is $. Next, S produces dot BBA. Look ahead is $. So all the productions of S are written. So here after dot, we have a non-terminal called A. So we need to find the closure of A. So that means write A productions. So what are A productions? A produces dot D. So from this production, we are writing this production. So we need to find after A, we have $. So first of $. Means A. So look ahead is A. Next, this is terminal. So no need to find the closure. After dot, we have a non-terminal called B. So find the closure of B. So that means write B productions. So all these are items. Items means we must use dot. So B produces, D is the production. Next, so from this production, B is written. So we need to calculate first of this part. So first of C means C. So look at is C. Look at is C. So let the state is I0. Next I1. Next state. Apply S on I0. So that means calculate go to of I0 comma S. So then the production will become S dash produces. This dot will be shifted 1 position to the right. S dot. While calculating the go to, look ahead symbol is as it is. So there is no need to change the look ahead symbol. So this state is called as accepted state. Accepted state. Why? Because this is start symbol. Start symbol dash produces S dot. That is accepted state. Next after dot we have capital A here. So apply A on I0. Then the production will become. So let the state is I1 state. So S produces A dot A. A dot A. Dot is shifted 1 position to the right. While calculating the look ahead, while calculating go to, there is no need to change the look ahead. So keep it as same only. So calculation is over. So this is the only production which is containing A after dot. So this is I1 is over. Next state is I2. Next, here we have B here. So apply B on I0. So then the production will become S produces B dot. Dot is shifted 1 position to the right. So B dot AC. So no need to change look ahead while calculating go to. Here after dot we have a non-terminal. So if there is a non-terminal after the dot, then we have to find the closure. So what is the closure of A? Write A productions. A produces, this is an item. So write dot D. Dot D. Next to calculate the look ahead part. So from this production we got A. So we need to find first of this part. So first of C dollar, that is nothing but C. C. Next if we observe here, after dot here also we have B. Here also we have B. So S produces B dot BA. B dot BA. No need to change dollar. After dot we have a non-terminal. So write the productions of B. Write the productions of B. So B produces dot D. Dot D. And find the look ahead symbol. So from this production we got B. So we need to calculate first of this part. So first of A dollar means A only. So these are the only productions which contains B after the dot. So calculation is over. Let the state is I3. Next, if you see here, after dot we have capital B. So then the production will become S produces B dot C. B dot C dollar. Dollar. After dot we have a terminal. So there is no need to find the closure. I3 is over. So let us give the numbering as I4. Next dot B, it is already over. Next if we observe these two productions. After dot we have a terminal part. So apply D on I0. Then the production will become A produces, dot will be shifted one position to the right. A dot, look at is same only. A. Next here also B produces D dot, look at is same only. So all the productions of I0 are over. Next let us see about I1. So this is final item. So no need to apply go to. So final item means dot is at the extreme right hand side. Here after dot we have a terminal. So apply A on I2. Then the production will become S produces. This dot will be shifted one position to the right. A dot. There is no need to change the look ahead part. So if you see I3, after dot we have capital A. So apply A and I3. Then the production will become S produces B. This dot will be shifted one position to the right. So BA dot C. While calculating go to, no need to change look ahead. BA dot C. So after dot we have a terminal. So we can stop the process. We can stop the process. So this is the only production which is containing A after dot. Next, apply D. So we have two productions which contains D after the dot. So A produces D dot. Dot is shifted one position to the right. Keep the look ahead as it is. There is no non-terminal after the dot. So here also B produces D dot. D dot. Shift dot one position to the right. Look ahead is A. Look ahead is A. Next, after dot we have capital B. After dot we have capital B. So apply capital B on this state. Then the production will become S produces BB dot A. BB dot A, comma. No need to change the look ahead while calculating the go to part. So I3, I4. So this is I5. Next I6, I7, I8, I9. So I3 is over. Next, let us focus on I4. After dot we have C. So apply C on I4 state. Then the production will become S produces BC dot. Dot is shifted one position to the right. So no need to change the look ahead part. So I9 is over. Let it be I10. Let it be I10. Next, I4 productions are over. Next, so let it be next one. A produces A dot. So this is final item. Next, if you see here, apply C on this state, then the production will become S produces BAC dot dollar. Next, these are final items. Next, if we see here, apply A, then the production will become S produces BBA dot dollar is the look ahead. So after dot there is no terminal, there is no non-terminal. So this is also final item. So this is also final item. So we can say that LR of 1 items are calculated. Now let us observe the common productions with different look ahead symbols. If we observe I5 and I8, what are the productions here? A produces D dot, A produces D dot, A produces D dot. Look ahead part, here A, here we have C, A or C. So we can combine I5 and I8 into a new state called I58. Next, B produces, so here what is the new state? I58. So B produces D dot. So what is the look ahead symbols here? Here we have C, here we have A. So we can combine the look ahead part. So if we observe here, so what is the state here? The state is I58. We know how to construct the parsing table. So here the parsing table is similar to CLR parsing table only. CLR or SLR parsing table only. Here we will have the action part. The action part will contain terminal symbols. Here what are the terminal symbols? Small a, small b, small c, small d and dollar part. So let us focus mainly on this I58 part. So here what is the state? So this is first production, second production, third production, fourth production. So A produces D is fifth production, B produces D is sixth production. A produces D dot. So this is which production? Fifth production. So we have to write this is reduced part. This is final item. So R, production number is 5. So R5. So here the look ahead is AC. So we have to write AC in R5 part. Next, let us observe the second production, that is B produces D dot. So B produces D means what is the production? R6 is the production. So we have to write R6 in A and C part. So let us write R6 in A and C part. Here each cell, here this cell as well as this cell is performing multiple actions. So this cell is performing multiple reductions. This cell is also performing multiple reductions. So we can say that this grammar is not LALR grammar. So this grammar is not accepted by LALR parser. Why? Because here each cell is, this cell as well as this cell is containing more than one value. If each cell in the table contains only one value, then we can say that that grammar is accepted by LALR parser. But here these two cells are containing multiple operations. So this grammar is not accepted by LALR parser.